Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the Cashapp. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder.
Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. Before we get started, go and hit that like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post more content. Alright, so I'm about to be installing this rear diffuser on the Hellcat. I installed one on the Scat Pack already like a while ago. Well, not a while ago, probably a year or something ago when I first got it. All right, so on the Scat Pack, the rear diffuser, I paid like $100 and some. This one I paid 50 something. I don't know what's the difference between it, but they look the same. I didn't take it out the package yet, but I'm gonna check this one out and then see if it's good quality. It came with some bolts and stuff, so we'll see. Say made in China to the USA. I don't know, I'm probably not even gonna use that. I'm gonna use the one just on the Hellcat already. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car up and then unwrap this bad boy and then we're gonna get started. Let's go. Okay, so I kind of see the difference from the one I put on the Scat Pack and this one. It's like kind of more cheap. This one is like more, what's the word? Whatever, yeah, you know the word, but yeah. But yeah, whatever. I'm gonna still try to put it up on there. If I don't like it, then I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and get that one. But it don't look too bad. All right, so first what I'm gonna have to do, gotta take this bad boy off. I can probably take it off with my fingers. I gotta take all of those off. And it should just pop right off. And then I can go put the new one on, put these ones back on, and it's good to go. Definitely gonna be changing this out soon. Get my exhaust done. It's too quiet for me. But like, anyways, back to the diffuser. Let's go. Woo, the rocks. Where's rock falling from this thing? Woo. Woo. All right, be all out. I hope. Rocks for days. Well, that was easy. Them some big holes. I don't think this bad boy gonna work. Then now. Alright. And let's put the fake one up. Okay. So I'm missing a few Alright, this one might be a little offset. Alright, so yeah. That's a dud. This one bootleg. They all offset. They won't go in. God, man. Me trying to go the cheap way. Like, I think it'll fit. Whole time it don't. So that's that. Started going in good. At the first ones, but man, well, that sucks. On to the next mod. I'm gonna order another one. Hopefully get here soon. Then I can put that one on the real way this time, cause that one ain't fit. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Yep, so that's that, man. Hey, like, subscribe again, share, hit the notification bell, be notified when I actually get the real diffuser to put on here. Alright,